Understanding Chisel Work, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, chisel work. This term is not just about tools and carpentry. It's rich in metaphorical meaning. Let's dive into understanding what chisel work means and how you can use it in everyday English. Chisel work literally refers to the process of shaping or carving materials, like wood or stone, using a chisel, a sharp, handheld tool. This task requires precision, patience, and skill. It's an art form, transforming a rough material into a beautifully crafted piece. In everyday language, chisel work is used metaphorically to describe tasks that require meticulous attention to detail, precision, and careful effort. For example, if someone is doing detailed and precise accounting, you could say they are doing chisel work. It implies that the task is challenging and needs a high level of craftsmanship. Let's look at some examples to understand better how chisel work is used. 1. The lawyer's argument in the court was like chisel work, carefully crafted and precise. 2. Writing a novel can be like chisel work. Every word has to be meticulously chosen. There are variations and phrases related to chisel work that carry a similar meaning. Phrases like fine-tuning, precision work, or meticulous task can be used interchangeably depending on the context. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase chisel work confidently in your English conversations. It's a great way to describe tasks that require finesse and careful attention. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.